-5 degrees and we have to do stuff, but at least it's nothing too hardcore, because yesterday we had a forest drift session. As always, it went really good. It was pretty lucky and fun for me. Not as lucky for some other people who crashed pretty heavy, so that's a bit unlucky. Everyone is safe, everyone is good, but yeah, the cars got to eat a bit of shit. Talking about me, after hitting a ditch, now my electric fan doesn't want to work, and I'm pretty sure I killed the little motor inside it, but maybe today it's gonna start working. If I flick this, nope, nothing, no sound, it is dead. I don't really have a replacement for it right now, but I will just take the OEM fan and the shroud from the green crocodile and put it inside of here until I buy a replacement. Oh yeah, and have to adjust the number plate, but other than that, the night was hella fun. And yeah, let's fix this real quick, because it's really cold outside.
Numbers on my phone, they keep calling me. Girlies at my shows, why they all on me? I don't want them, no, get them all off me. Say that for L, she'll cause a scene. 4 cars deep, we'll come through on a lane night. Chicken spot, wings and fries, we call that a day night. Lights on, so out, I don't have no stage fright. Knew that I was built for this forever, ever. 10 all my friends, we ride Beamers, we ride Benz. 10 times 10, all my friends, it's for real, till the end. 10 times 10, all my friends. 10 times 10, all my friends, it's for real, till the end. Circle small, can't let too many close to me. Love my brodies, they all hit the road.
Well. Tomorrow is December 18th, and tomorrow I have a competition in Estonia. So I am in the garage right now because we have to get ready this drift missile for tomorrow. There are a couple of things we have to do, like attach the bumper, remove the Christmas lights. Shout out to a guy that I kinda know, because he gave me these rims for the weekend, because I had no R16 rims, because the event has a mono tire rule, and the only 16s I have are these. Wait, I haven't shown you them, right? Just pretend you didn't see them. That's for the future. So I got those. What else? There were a couple other things I had to do with this car, and yeah, we are gonna be going to the event. But first, let's get this Red Devil ready so we can actually pass the technical commission, or whatever it's called. Let's go.
Don't wanna go, I don't wanna be alone. I don't want nothing new. I cannot save you someone else. All I want is you. I got lost inside my head, but you were there to save me up. I get hiding all the time, 'cause you told me to stay outside.
Good morning. Well, it is 4:18 a.m. and as random as it sounds, we are going to Estonia right now, to a drift event, to a winter drift event. We should be there in 4 hours. I kind of want to sleep. Homie probably wants to sleep too, because he hasn't slept, and well, yeah, let's just hope we can manage to get there and not stay on the road, but I trust and believe in this car, and well, I'll update you with all the things that happened today. Well, currently it's around 6 a.m. We are at the Estonian border at the Via Ikla shop. There's like 2 more hours till Tallinn, because the racetrack is somewhere near Tallinn. We also have to mount the tires. You're probably not gonna see, but I have spare rims in the car because I didn't have any R16 rims, so I got those. And then yeah, we are ready to go. Another thing I probably forgot to mention is, I don't know if you can see in the dark, you probably can't, but my bumper right now is holding on 4 zip ties because I have a bash bar and I have no proper way of mounting it. So currently it sits on 4 zip ties, but it's probably gonna be alright. The LED bar is, to be honest, a big lifesaver, because on these dark roads at night you can see quite a lot. And yeah, I think we're gonna keep full sending it, and let's hope everything goes alright, because we are crazy Latvians going to a track with no support car, with a winter beater, with a few tools, and yeah, let's keep going. It's actually kind of cold. Let's go, let's go. Okay, so everything's actually happening quite quick. I just passed the technical commission, which is really good. I just had to tape the positive terminal on the car, and that was pretty much it. And now we are ready to go into test runs, which the track is over there. This is the compact, it's pretty much ready. Yeah, I don't know, I'm not really stressed, but there's not much time to film, to be honest. So yeah, good luck to me, and let's hope we can at least qualify. Let's go. I thought I'm gonna throw in a quick explanation. So the next clip you're gonna see is the practice run. Only one clip of practice run, because all the other practice runs were pretty much the same. They were just as bad, and roll the clip. Okay, so you pretty much got the idea how it went in practice. We can go to run number 1, qualifying run number 1. Roll it. Nice. And after that great run number 1, number 2 definitely must be good, right? So let's roll that. Блядь! Позорс. Fucking позорс, блядь. Заебался. Куца, блядь. Заебал, нахуй. Нахуй то зимас дрифту, блядь. Нахуй viņu. Просто нахуй то хуйню, блядь. Сука, блядь. Пошел нахуй. Well, here I am, sitting in my car after 2 failed qualification runs, both zeros. You all probably just saw that. What can I say? It is what it is. Lack of skill, unlucky, just a lot of factors. Like, on paper the track seems pretty easy, but in reality the grip changes quite a lot. It goes from ice to snow, and you can't really see it with the naked eye. So you initiate on pretty good grip, and then all of a sudden with the hydro pulled, you slide into ice and you spin out. So lack of experience, lack of other things. I can add that my brakes are a bit fucked as well, because I think there's air in them. Although I aired them out, my brake pedal gets progressively harder, which is really weird and hard to drive. I also have no added angle on the car, which, you know, you can drive without it, but in situations like these it would definitely help. Yes, I am a bit sad because I was the only Latvian here, and well, now probably all the Estonians think all Latvians suck, but nah, I'm just bad. At least I can be happy about giving myself a title of the most towed car, because I'm pretty sure I hit the ditch the most times out of everyone. At least something good, eh? And yeah, let's hope I come back to the next event, which I probably will. And now I guess there's nothing better to do than go eat, and yeah, better luck next time. Yeah, so me being mad at my own performance, I didn't record us eating, I didn't record us going back home, so that's how the trip ended. I didn't go to more events because the timing was pretty bad for them. Like, winter kind of went away, then suddenly it appeared again, and then there were, like, I couldn't really go, so yeah, that's everything with the winter events. Only one, but still, experience, you know? XP boost to my pro drift career. Okay, I'm sorry. Go back to the video. I love getting new parts. I love getting new parts. Let's go! Rear bash bar as well. Finally, I've been waiting for it so fucking long. Let's go! Waving through the window while you driving away. A single teardrop rolling down the side of your face. It gets better, it's all gonna be okay. They say time heals all wounds, but you're staring at the fan in your bedroom. All your friends gon' wonder what they up to. Read your message at 11, hope they call soon. Funny how some miles stop your best friends from dialing. Remember all the time we spent, what happened to the life we led. Switched up in a minute, memories got diminished, and now I'm stuck here sitting all alone. Wake up, pack your bags, you're moving on to another state. Your friends waving through the window while you driving away. A single teardrop rolling down. Well, the last time I was recording, oh yeah, that's from the green one. The last time I was recording, to be honest, I don't remember what I was doing, but I did put on the new rims, but I got really mad and sad, mad, just all the feelings you can imagine, because, well, I wanted to get the car on the ground ASAP, and it slid off, and I poked a hole with a fucking jack stand. And I didn't want to record anything, didn't want to tell you anything, I just wanted to fuck the car and go inside and, I don't know, play the PC. But now it's a new weekend and I'm trying to fix it. As you saw, I already cleaned the metal. I'm gonna try to get it out a bit, and I think I'm gonna try welding it. If that isn't successful, I think I'm just gonna put silicone in it. It's a bit sad, but shit happens, so it is what it is. It gets better, it's all gonna be okay.
okay. Feels a little like communication dying now. What happened to everything we talked about? Stalling out and I'm falling down. Stalling out and I'm falling. Nobody calling, wonder how much they talking about me when I'm gone. I need pills for my noggin. Head throbbing and the bed rocking. Cause I'm all alone, it's just not stopping. I know you moved on, but I'm bitter too. We had it all before, why do we have to lose? Oh, the good things must go, it's such a shitty rule. We had it all before, why do we have to lose? Wake up, pack your bags, you're moving on to another state. Your friends waving through the window while you driving away. A single teardrop rolling down the side of your face. It gets better, it's all gonna be okay. They say time heals all wounds, but you're staring at the fan in your bed.